Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Balkis Singh Academy. Today in this video I'm going to share with you that if you want to transfer data in your G Suite Admin Center, how you can do that. So currently, as on the screen you can see, I have two IDs here of different staff members. So demo staff 1 and demo staff 2. So I want to permanently delete this demo staff 1 user and I want to transfer all the data to this demo staff 2. So currently let me show you that what kind of data this demo staff 1 has. So if I hit tab here, so this is demo 1 and it has these following data like a Google form, a spreadsheet, presentation, document, some folders of work files and some images. So maybe he or she has a lot of data related to all your work organization. So I want to permanently delete this data. Somehow this user, this demo staff 1 has left the organization or somehow any kind of thing. So you want to permanently delete it. So there is an option in G Suite Admin Center. So if I select here and click on more, and if I click on delete selected users, if I press this button here, and it will open up this window here that says transfer data. So I'm going to share with you that how you can successfully or easily share data to any user that you want. So I have this demo 1, so I want to transfer all the data of demo 1 to demo 2. So I'm going to write the name of this demo here. So this is the name of the staff member whom I want to transfer data. So I'm selecting that, so it is going to appear here. So at the bottom you can see select the data to transfer, so drive and docs. So I'm selecting that, including all the files that are not shared with anyone, calendars, some meetings or anything that has saved in Google Calendar. You want to also transfer that. Brand accounts, so brand accounts are like single account shared by multiple users. So that is the meaning of brand account. If this user is associated with any brand account, you want to transfer that data to that particular user. So this user, we have this demo staff. Data Studio, so I'm going to select all this. So at the bottom you can see this option delete user. If I select delete, and this is going to delete this demo staff 1. So you can see data transfer has started. We will notify you once it is complete. So guys, what we have done, we have deleted this user data demo staff 1. So this user has been suspended permanently and all the data has been deleted. Now if I open this demo staff 2 email ID, so let me click the tab button and I want to share with you. So here it is guys, I have already opened the demo staff 2 ID and I have opened the G Suite. As you can see here, demo 1, this email ID associated with the domain name here this folder has been created. If I double click on it, you will see all the files that this user, this demo staff 1 has created, including the folders, different folders. So all the data has been transferred to this demo 1. So guys, this is how you can transfer data of one user to another one. So you can save a lot of important information in your organization. So for example, this Google form is a important one that you want to save while this user left the company, so you can transfer the data. So this is all guys, how to transfer data of one user to another. So thanks a lot for watching this video. See you soon, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I keep posting these kind of videos. Thanks a lot.